Hello everyone. Recently I had to do a lot of Googling. 200 search terms and limited to only 3 websites. So, in order to do this quickly, I wrote a little script that you can copy and paste, and today I'm going to show you how you can use it directly in your browser. To run a script in the web browser, you can open up the developer tools, which you find here in the case of Chrome. And then you can just start typing and it will tell you a number of commands that are available. In this case we are writing hello as the output of our little program. The link that I shared with this video leads to this site, and here's another script that we can copy and paste directly into the console we just saw. Please beware that it's not safe to just copy and paste anything from the web. If you have any questions or doubts about this code, please let me know. For now, we'll just hit copy and paste it in here. When I then hit the enter key, it will print out a number of links for me that I can go and follow. For example, this one will show me Brad Pitt's Internet Movie Database entry, and also a number of other links, for example from Twitter, and it should also show, the German Wikipedia site for him. As you can see, the search results are limited to the sites that I specified up here. It's a bit tedious to always write or, site, and so on. That's why for 200 terms it is much easier to just generate a link like this. To adjust it to your own needs, you can easily change the search terms over here and the sites down here. Let's copy this again to a text editor of your choice and say, for example, we wanted to search for Chuck Norris. We would say quote Chuck Norris, quote, comma. With the quotes we say that here's where the term begins and here's where the term ends, and with comma we separate the different terms from each other. Same is true down here. The different sites are separated by commas and the site domains are enclosed with quotes. Now we can go ahead and copy all of this. Select all. Copy, and if we paste it now over here, we get a link with Chuck Norris, his IMDb entry, his Twitter, and his Wikipedia entry. I hope this is useful to somebody, and if you have questions about this code or any comments, please let me know, and well, hope you can save a lot of time with this. And that's it. Have a great day.